What is up, BJ Squad, and how's everybody doing today? Today, I'm gonna be doing a prank on Kayla. Nope, but this is the first time somebody's did this kind of prank, I guess. I have slime, clear slime my sister made. And I'm gonna be like, uh-oh. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna put it on my nose. Or I'm just gonna, I'm gonna be right there. And yeah. Get out, Cheyenne. That's my big sister. But anyway, I'm gonna get Kayla, so it's gonna be the slime prank. Slime. Let's go! We ain't going back to school till Monday! Let's go! Let's go, dude! Alright, let's get back to this prank. Oh, this got me lit now. I'm ready for this prank. Which one should I use? I'm thinking use this because it has Google in it. But let's get this prank popping, KB Squad. So, yes. We gotta sneak.
What you doing? Making some. What kind you making? It's like a black. Look at it.
Yeah. So that'll take off another holiday, you know, whatever, you know what I'm saying?
That's 3 days coming.
Yeah, if I don't get out of my little cube,
It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! Prank! God, dog!
She wanted to kill me. Good dog.
You blinded too, I'm gonna kill you.
Dang, girl.
Don't you post it? I look ratchet right now.
We're going to bed.
Will you try and put that up your nose?
No. But everybody,
I'm gonna show them next time.
that was a good prank. It's got googly eyes in it. That was a good prank, but we'll see y'all next time, Beach. No, that was a good prank. We'll see y'all next time, BJ Squad.
BK.